Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. And well, today there is a very interesting topic. The topic that concerns power consumption and the heat wave that is happening across the whole Europe. And like how AI, where is AI in this, in this whole mess? And let me tell you this one. Uh, you can believe it or not, but AI has a lot to do with what we have currently. Thing is, in the total energy consumption and in total power usage to, like, first of all, power it and then cool it and everything else that is related to it. As you may know, there is a thing that is called carbon footprint, and I mean, everybody is trying to reduce it, but take a look who is at list number one, number two, number three, and you will clearly understand that these are the countries that claim to be also as well the most well-developed guys in terms of AI. Well, is it true or not? Judge it yourself. Google it. Oh, no, no advertisement. It's just like a pronunciation proclamation, whatever. Bing it, whatever. Search whatever possible search engine you use, or whether it's AI search engine. But I mean, just keep asking it the provocative questions, like whether it feels responsible, any responsibility of being a reason for the increased power consumption across the whole continents and across the whole humanity, and as a result, the increased carbon footprint, etc., etc., etc. That's the main trouble. And regarding our industry, the IT industry specifically, my very interesting claim and my very interesting question to you guys is this one. How long do you think it will take before major companies, well, and not even companies, like small individuals, whoever might have been the ordinary customer of those small IT firms, of so small IT agencies, like for example we in Skynex are. And the question is, how long will it take before these guys will realize that AI cannot do everything? Because we as a company have tried a lot of stuff using AI. We actually use it and we enforce our devs to use it, but in a very, very controlled manner. And hear me out, controlled. That's the main word here. You cannot vibe code everything. Absolutely not. There is a lot of stuff that you will be having troubles with as soon as 6 months, a year, I don't know. It just depends on how actively your app is pushing, how actively your instrument is pushing, whether you're using it or not. I mean, if you're using it for yourself, who cares? If you get hacked, nobody cares. If you have clients on your own and they have troubles, then you're in big trouble. And believe it or not, things you have to invest on are maintenance, ensuring that the code is safe, ensuring that the data is safe. That's the most really important part. And this is something that AI normally cannot take care about. If you have other examples, let me know, and we will follow them, we will check them, and we will all be seeing how they evolve from time to time. Because you will see, my question is, what is the consulting rate going to be in probably within 3 to 6 months for those who will feel a first real failure of AI? Let me know. I'm really curious to read all of your answers, all of your comments. So just let's keep talking, guys, because this is important. This is important to know how the industry moves along. Hope to see you in the next one. See you guys. Bye.